Hey everyone, Allison here from Alli's Pantry and Crafts. I just thought I would share my unboxing slash unbagging of what I got from Amazon. This is something I haven't done in a really long time, and I thought, what better time to start it up again than now? So let's get into it. Let's start with this first. Wow. Oh, it's a good thing I ordered 2 of these. Alright. I only got 1 of them. Well, that's a bummer. I ordered 2 of these and I only got 1. Oh, anyhow, these are numbers. And then these are the alphabet. I'm gonna have to check my order because I know I put in for 2 of these. I wanted more of the numbers. I didn't care, so I could honestly have cared less for the alphabet part. I wanted the numbers. But alright, well, cute, I guess. It'll work for a couple of things. I can get into this. Now, like I said, this is a craft I haven't done in a long time. And I don't know, so I don't know what made me decide to want to do it again. Oh, I do too, because of things I want to make, and I didn't want to buy the stuff, to make it. I wanted to make my own, so that's what prompted me into getting back into this. So pull everything out, and then I'll show you what I got. Alright. So here I've got, I don't know if you can see it. It's just an LED, thing that they call the Bedbug Light or something like that. UV, excuse me. So, wow, that's sturdy. Oh, I'm definitely gonna have to get some batteries, it looks like. Looks like it calls for a double D. Where is it? It's saying 3 times double A batteries. Oh, okay, I get it. 1, 2, and 3. And then you just, I guess, oh, duh. Okay, there you go. Be smarter than the thing, right? Cool, I'll have to get some batteries. Awesome. Okie dokie. Not really sure what this is. Let's see what this is. It must have come with this. Oh, it's kind of like tape. Like plastic tape. Oh, I bet you it's to like cut, behind so that the resin doesn't stick to the other things. Anyhow, so I've got some, I don't know, like all different colors and shapes. Kind of got a rose gold, or, well, not rose gold, gold. See, this looks kind of like a rose gold. I don't know if you can see that. And then you got more of a gold right here. And then we got, of course, the silver. And then we have the pewter. And then we have, like, the bronze. Cool, cool, cool. All different shapes. Looks like each one has the same shapes, just in a different color. So let's open up one and we'll look at each shape. These are going to be made for two different things. Cover minders. Okay. And then also, I don't know if any of you guys knit or crochet. Well, I know some of you that watches my channel does. So I'm going to make some stitch markers. So we got an oval shape, a rectangle. Oh, this one's neat. A moon. I like that one. A heart. I don't know, depending on how you look at it, a square or a diamond. Triangle. Now this is more of a diamond shape. I don't know, kind of a house looking shape, depending on how you look at it. Teardrop. That one's really pretty. And then another rectangle. So, wow. It's quite a bit. And this wasn't that expensive. It didn't come with my sheet saying how much it was. I know it wasn't that much money. I think it was like $13 or something like that. And it come with all of these. And then whatever that is. Plastic tape stuff. So, got that. And then, now, I've used resin before, but it was always the equal part resin of, part A and part B. This is actually fast curing, self-degassing, and high gloss clear UV resin. So, and there's no two parts or anything to it. You just pour it. So this is new to me. Like I said, I've used the resin before, but it was the kind that you had to mix, equal parts of each thing. Oh, look. Let me see that. You get satisfied. Aw, unsatisfied. Then satisfied. unsatisfied. So this is neat. So you got obviously a regular lid, and then you have a little spout tube, so when you're pouring it, so like when I'm pouring it into here, right, my resin into here, I will have more control on how much comes out. So that's really neat. So that's all I got. I'm excited to see how this works compared to the two-part resin. So we will see. And I'll take you guys along with me when I do some of them. So, I mean, if you'd like, let me know down below in the comments if you'd like to see what I do with all of this stuff, you know. So, alright, well, that was pretty darn quick video, so I'm gonna let you all go. Like I said, let me know down below if you would even be interested in watching me make, you know, these items or not. I hope y'all had a wonderful Thanksgiving, and I will see you guys next time. I love you all, and don't forget to always smile. Bye-bye.